Hey, Rob here for Quadratec.com. Today we're checking out the Mopar Jeep Performance Parts 5-inch off-road LED lights for the 2018 and newer Jeep Wrangler JL. Now with these lights, you'll not only get a pair of the lights, but you'll also get a pair of SnapOn Covers featuring a large Jeep logo on here that you can install when the lights are not in use. Most local laws are going to require any off-road auxiliary lights to be covered while you're on the road to keep you street legal, so these will do a good job of that. And then simply snap them off when you're headed off onto the trail and ready to use them. And you'll also get a pair of wiring harnesses for the lights that feature a weatherproof Deutsch-style connector on one side that plugs into the back of the light, and then a ground terminal and a blunt cut positive wire on the other end of the harness that really give you a lot of flexibility for wherever you decide to mount these lights. And even though these lights were designed with the 2018 and newer Wrangler JL in mind, well, because it uses a universal style harness, you can really mount these up on any Jeep vehicle. Now back to the covers for just a moment. We did a quick test. We had these installed and wired up. We wanted to see how well the cover would fare with the lights turned on. Well, after just a few minutes, you can see the cover started to melt on us here. And that's because even though these lights are in a small package here, they're each producing 4,800 lumens of light. They're really throwing a lot of power into this small design. Now the lens is slightly fluted, which focuses that beam into a driving style light. It's going to throw light far down the trail for you. And on the front of the lens here, they've even got a nice little Jeep logo for you. Now the full housing is weatherproof. In fact, it's totally submersible if you like. And they're utilizing a cast aluminum housing with heavy duty cooling fins on the back here to keep the light running cool, and that's going to help increase the longevity and the lifespan of your LEDs. Now if we tilt the light back here, another thing they did was include these vibration dampening pads here on the mounting bracket, and those are also going to help to keep any vibrations from transferring from the Jeep up into the light, which could also shorten the lifespan of your LEDs. Now, if you guys want to get more information or purchase a set of the Mopar Jeep Performance Parts 5-inch off-road LED lights for your Jeep, you can click on that info button to head over to Quadratec.com. Of course, if you have any comments or questions, you can leave those for us below or contact us at any of the options on the screen. And you want to make sure you hit that subscribe button so you're sure to catch all of our latest 2018 Jeep Wrangler JL product reviews. Until next time, I'm Rob. I'll see you guys out on the trail.